So I've just found this tree in St. Anne's Bay, Jamaica, and I'm so fascinated because it smells so good. It got all these flowers and these beautiful bulb, and this guy is just showing me what's the name of it.
The Cannonball.
He said the name of it is Cannonball. Oh, it's got some balls in it as well. Oh, that big thing.
Yeah.
All right. Look at that, guys. I've seen it always on the YouTube, but I've never seen it in real. So this is what they call the cannonball. It smells so, the flower smells so lovely. Really nice smell, guys. So I'm so fascinated by the look and the flowers and everything that you can see. Look at that, guys. So it's got one cannonball on it, a big one. Okay. Thank you, guys.